Hey, I'm going to show you how to make this look like this. All right? So we're going to use Wise Owl Black Walnut Hemp Oil Wax, and we're going to use the Wise Owl Furniture Salve to disperse. I'm going to grab my brush and I'm just going to go right in and add in that dark wax. Now it's all on there. I want to spread it out and disperse it. And I want it to look like this, not like that. So if I was just going to take a rag and try and wipe it back, some of it's going to come back, but it's not going to be as bright as that. This is when I use the salve. So I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to apply the salve over top. See how that kind of picks it up? And now it's going to make it so I can move the hemp oil wax exactly where I want it. Take an old rag and you're going to wipe off the excess. That way it's only in the valleys. And all my peaks are nice and bright on my molding. And I have a nice faded edge on the inside. And it's all sealed because furniture salve will seal. That's how we do it. There she is.